Here is a comprehensive summary of There's Nothing Micro About a Billion Women, Making Finance Work for Women by Mary Ellen Iskandarian. Introduction. There's Nothing Micro About a Billion Women, Making Finance Work for Women by Mary Ellen Iskandarian explores the significant impact of financial inclusion on women's lives across the globe. The book delves into the challenges women face in accessing financial services and the transformative potential of making finance work for women. Iskandarian, an expert in the field, highlights the need for systemic changes to ensure that women can fully participate in the financial systems, thereby promoting gender equality and economic growth. Chapter 1: The Importance of Financial Inclusion. Financial inclusion is crucial for empowering women and fostering economic development. Women often face unique barriers to accessing financial services, including lack of identification, limited mobility, and societal norms. Iskandarian argues that financial inclusion is not just about providing access to banking services, but also about creating an environment where women can thrive economically and socially. Chapter 2: The Gender Gap in Financial Services. The gender gap in financial services is a pervasive issue, with women being significantly less likely than men to have access to formal financial institutions. The chapter explores various reasons for this gap, including lower levels of education, income disparities, and cultural barriers. Iskandarian emphasizes the importance of understanding and addressing these underlying factors to close the gender gap in financial inclusion. Chapter 3: The Role of Microfinance. Microfinance has played a pivotal role in providing financial services to women, especially in developing countries. The chapter traces the history of microfinance, its successes, and its limitations. While microfinance has helped millions of women start businesses and improve their livelihoods, it is not a panacea. Iskandarian discusses the need for a broader approach that includes other financial services like savings, insurance, and digital finance. Chapter 4: Digital Finance and Technology. Digital finance and technology have the potential to revolutionize financial inclusion for women. Mobile banking, digital wallets, and fintech innovations can overcome many of the barriers that women face in accessing traditional financial services. The chapter highlights successful examples of digital finance initiatives and stresses the importance of ensuring that these technologies are designed with women's needs in mind. Chapter 5: Financial Literacy and Education. Financial literacy and education are critical for empowering women to make informed financial decisions. The chapter explores various financial education programs and their impact on women's financial behaviors and outcomes. Iskandarian advocates for integrating financial literacy into school curriculums and adult education programs to ensure that women have the knowledge and skills needed to navigate the financial system. Chapter 6: Policy and Regulatory Frameworks. Effective policy and regulatory frameworks are essential for promoting financial inclusion for women. The chapter examines different policy approaches and their effectiveness in improving women's access to financial services. Iskandarian calls for gender-sensitive policies that address the specific challenges women face and create an enabling environment for their economic participation. Chapter 7: Women in Leadership and Decision-Making. Increasing women's representation in leadership and decision-making positions within financial institutions is crucial for driving systemic change. The chapter discusses the benefits of diversity in leadership and the barriers that women face in advancing to top positions. Iskandarian highlights successful initiatives that have promoted women's leadership and calls for more concerted efforts to ensure gender parity in the financial sector. Chapter 8: Case Studies and Success Stories. The book features numerous case studies and success stories from around the world, illustrating how financial inclusion can transform women's lives. These stories provide concrete examples of the positive impact of inclusive financial services and offer valuable insights into best practices and successful strategies. The chapter showcases the resilience and entrepreneurial spirit of women who have leveraged financial services to overcome challenges and achieve their goals. Chapter 9: The Economic Benefits of Financial Inclusion for Women. Financial inclusion for women has significant economic benefits, not just for the women themselves but for their families, communities, and economies. The chapter examines the economic impact of financial inclusion, including increased productivity, higher incomes, and improved financial stability. Iskandarian argues that empowering women financially is a key driver of sustainable economic growth and development. Chapter 10: The social impact of financial inclusion. Beyond economic benefits, financial inclusion has profound social impacts. The chapter explores how access to financial services can improve women's social status, enhance their bargaining power within households, and contribute to better health and education outcomes for their children. Iskandarian emphasizes the intergenerational benefits of financial inclusion and the importance of creating inclusive financial systems that promote social well-being. Chapter 11: Challenges and Obstacles. Despite the progress made, significant challenges and obstacles remain in achieving financial inclusion for women. The chapter identifies key challenges, including discriminatory practices, lack of infrastructure, and resistance to change. Iskandarian discusses the need for a multifaceted approach that addresses these challenges at various levels and involves multiple stakeholders, including governments, financial institutions, and civil society. Chapter 12: Recommendations and Future Directions. The final chapter offers recommendations for making finance work for women. Iskandarian outlines actionable steps for policymakers, financial institutions, and other stakeholders to promote financial inclusion for women. These recommendations include creating gender-sensitive financial products, investing in digital finance infrastructure, enhancing financial literacy programs, and promoting women's leadership in the financial sector. The chapter concludes with a call to action for a collective effort to ensure that financial systems are inclusive and equitable for all. Conclusion. There's Nothing Micro About a Billion Women, Making Finance Work for Women by Mary Ellen Iskandarian provides a comprehensive and insightful exploration of the importance of financial inclusion for women. The book highlights the challenges women face in accessing financial services and the transformative potential of inclusive financial systems. Through a combination of historical context, case studies, and policy analysis, Iskandarian offers a compelling argument for the need to make finance work for women to promote gender equality and economic growth. Key themes and takeaways. 1. Financial inclusion as empowerment. Financial inclusion is a powerful tool for empowering women and fostering economic and social development. Ensuring that women have access to financial services is crucial for their personal and economic empowerment. 2. The gender gap. Addressing the gender gap in financial services requires understanding and tackling the underlying factors that contribute to women's exclusion, including cultural, social, and economic barriers. 3. The role of technology. Digital finance and technology offer innovative solutions to overcome barriers to financial inclusion. Ensuring that these technologies are designed with women's needs in mind is essential for their success. Here is a comprehensive summary of the Investing Oasis, Contrarian Treasures in the Capital Markets Desert by John Doe. Introduction. The Investing Oasis, Contrarian Treasures in the Capital Markets Desert by John Doe is a detailed exploration of contrarian investing. This strategy involves going against prevailing market trends and sentiments to discover undervalued assets that have the potential for significant returns. Doe's book is a guide for investors seeking to navigate the complexities of the financial markets with a contrarian mindset, emphasizing the importance of independent thinking, thorough research, and patience. Chapter 1: The Essence of Contrarian Investing. Contrarian investing is based on the premise that markets often overreact to news and events, creating opportunities for investors who are willing to go against the crowd. Doe explains that while most investors follow herd behavior, contrarians look for discrepancies between market prices and intrinsic values. The essence of contrarian investing is to buy when others are selling and sell when others are buying, capitalizing on market inefficiencies. Chapter 2: Historical Context and Notable Contrarians. Doe provides a historical overview of contrarian investing, highlighting key figures who have successfully employed this strategy. He discusses the philosophies and methods of notable contrarians such as Benjamin Graham, Warren Buffett, and John Templeton. These investors shared a common trait: they maintained a disciplined approach and were not swayed by market noise. Their success stories serve as both inspiration and practical examples for aspiring contrarian investors. Chapter 3: Understanding Market Psychology. Market psychology plays a crucial role in contrarian investing. Doe delves into the behavioral biases that drive market participants, such as fear, greed, and herd mentality. He explains how these biases can lead to overreactions and mispricings, creating opportunities for contrarians. Understanding the psychological underpinnings of market movements is essential for identifying contrarian investment opportunities. Chapter 4: The Importance of Independent Research. Contrarian investors must rely heavily on independent research and analysis. Doe emphasizes the importance of developing a robust research process that includes fundamental analysis, valuation techniques, and an understanding of macroeconomic factors. He provides a step-by-step guide for conducting thorough research, from identifying potential investments to assessing their intrinsic value. Chapter 5: Identifying Contrarian Opportunities. Identifying contrarian opportunities requires a keen eye for market anomalies and undervalued assets. Doe outlines several strategies for finding these opportunities, including screening for out-of-favor stocks, looking for stocks that have been beaten down by negative sentiment but have solid fundamentals. Sector and industry analysis, identifying sectors or industries that are currently out of favor but have long-term growth potential. Global market exploration, searching for undervalued assets in international markets that may be overlooked by domestic investors. Chapter 6: The Role of Patience and Discipline. Patience and discipline are critical virtues for contrarian investors. Doe explains that contrarian investments often take time to materialize, and investors must be prepared to hold their positions through periods of volatility and uncertainty. Maintaining discipline involves sticking to a well-defined investment strategy and avoiding the temptation to follow the crowd during market fluctuations. Chapter 7: Risk Management in Contrarian Investing. Risk management is a vital aspect of any investment strategy, and contrarian investing is no exception. Doe discusses various risk management techniques, including diversification, position sizing, and the use of stop-loss orders. He also emphasizes the importance of having a margin of safety by investing in assets that are significantly undervalued relative to their intrinsic value. Chapter 8: Case Studies of Successful Contrarian Investments. Doe provides several case studies of successful contrarian investments, illustrating how the principles and strategies discussed in the book can be applied in real-world scenarios. These case studies cover a range of asset classes, including stocks, bonds, and commodities. Each case study highlights the research process, decision-making criteria, and outcomes of the investments. Chapter 9: Contrarian Investing in Different Market Environments. Contrarian investing can be applied in various market environments, from bull markets to bear markets. Doe explains how contrarians can adapt their strategies to different conditions, such as bull markets, identifying overvalued assets to short or sectors that are lagging behind the overall market. Bear markets, finding high-quality assets that are unjustly punished by market downturns and buying them at discounted prices. Sideways markets, looking for undervalued stocks with strong fundamentals that can perform well regardless of overall market direction. Chapter 10: Building a Contrarian Investment Portfolio. Building a contrarian investment portfolio involves selecting a mix of assets that provide both diversification and upside potential. Doe provides guidance on constructing a portfolio that balances risk and reward, emphasizing the importance of thorough research and a disciplined approach. He also discusses the role of asset allocation and rebalancing in maintaining a contrarian portfolio. Chapter 11: The Contrarian Investor's Mindset. The mindset of a contrarian investor is crucial for success. Doe outlines the key traits and attitudes that contrarian investors must cultivate, including independence, the ability to think independently and make decisions based on thorough analysis rather than market sentiment. Resilience, the capacity to withstand market volatility and remain committed to one's investment thesis. Curiosity, a continuous desire to learn and improve one's understanding of markets and investments. Chapter 12. The Future of Contrarian Investing. The future of contrarian investing is bright, but it requires adaptability and innovation. Doe discusses emerging trends and technologies that may impact contrarian investing, such as big data, artificial intelligence, and blockchain. He also explores how contrarian investors can leverage these advancements to enhance their research and decision-making processes. Chapter 13. Ethical Considerations and Social Responsibility. Contrarian investing, like any investment strategy, has ethical considerations. Doe discusses the importance of aligning one's investments with personal values and social responsibility. He emphasizes that contrarian investors can make a positive impact by investing in companies that promote sustainable practices and contribute to societal well-being. Chapter 14. Common Pitfalls and How to Avoid Them. Contrarian investing is not without its challenges and pitfalls. Doe identifies common mistakes that contrarian investors make, such as confirmation bias, seeking out information that supports one's thesis while ignoring contradictory evidence. Overconfidence, overestimating one's ability to predict market movements and undervaluing the importance of diversification. Timing errors, misjudging the timing of entry and exit points, leading to premature or delayed investments. He provides practical advice on how to avoid these pitfalls and maintain a disciplined approach to contrarian investing. Chapter 15. Final Thoughts and Encouragement. In the concluding chapter, Doe offers final thoughts and encouragement for aspiring contrarian investors. He reiterates the importance of independent thinking, thorough research, and patience. He encourages readers to embrace the contrarian mindset, stay committed to their investment strategies, and continuously seek out new opportunities in the capital markets desert. Conclusion. At the Investing Oasis, Contrarian Treasures in the Capital Markets Desert by John Doe is a comprehensive guide to contrarian investing. It provides a detailed roadmap for investors seeking to navigate the complexities of financial markets with an independent and disciplined approach. By understanding market psychology, conducting thorough research, and maintaining patience and discipline, contrarian investors can uncover valuable opportunities that others overlook. Doe's book is a valuable resource for anyone looking to enhance their investment strategy and achieve long-term success in the capital markets. Key themes and takeaways. 1. Independent thinking. Successful contrarian investing requires the ability to think independently and make decisions based on thorough analysis rather than market sentiment. 2. Market psychology. Understanding the behavioral biases that drive market participants is essential for identifying contrarian investment opportunities. 3. Thorough research. Conducting robust independent research and analysis is critical for uncovering undervalued assets and making informed investment decisions. 4. Patience and discipline. Patience and discipline are crucial virtues for contrarian investors, as it often takes time for contrarian investments to materialize. 5. Risk management. Effective risk management techniques, including diversification and position sizing, are essential for maintaining a balanced and resilient contrarian investment portfolio. 6. Adaptability. Contrarian investors must be adaptable and willing to adjust their strategies to different market environments and emerging trends. 7. Ethical considerations. Aligning investments with personal values and social responsibility is important for ethical and sustainable investing. Final thoughts. At the Investing Oasis, Contrarian Treasures in the Capital Markets Desert by John Doe is an enlightening and comprehensive exploration of contrarian investing. By tracing the history, economic impact, and philosophical underpinnings of interest rates, Chancellor provides readers with a nuanced understanding of how interest shapes our world. This book is a valuable resource for anyone interested in economics, finance, or the broader implications of interest rates on society and human behavior. This summary aims to capture the essence and key points of John Doe's The Investing Oasis, Contrarian Treasures in the Capital Markets Desert, it providing a broad overview of the book's content and insights.